AISF, that's the All India Student Federation, have gathered here in Chennai's Saidapet to protest against the national education policy. As you can see, that's the poster here that says we oppose the UGC draft regulations. Now remember, the national education policy advocates for a three-language policy where a third language is offered as an optional language. Now the state government says that even though the union government says that the third language being Hindi will only be optional, but when it actually gets implemented, it will become a state of Hindi imposition, because we fear that no other language will actually be offered as an optional third language but for Hindi, is what they are saying. And thereby they are saying that come what may, we will not be implementing the national education policy, and subsequently the three-language policy that comes along with it is what the state government is saying. And supporting that, we have the Student Federation over here who are staging a huge protest here. Anna, இப்போ வந்து நேஷனல் எஜுகேஷன் பாலிசி ஏன் நீங்க தடுக்கிறீங்க? ஹிந்தி வந்து இம்போஸ் பண்ணுவாங்கன்னா
இல்லை, ஆல்ரெடி நாங்கள் வந்து ஹிந்திக்கு எதிராக பல கட்ட போராட்டங்களை நடத்தி ஹிந்தி வந்து தமிழகத்தில் திணிக்காதீங்க, எங்கள் தாய்மொழி அழிக்காதீங்கன்னு சொல்லி தான் நாங்கள் போராடி போராட்ட தியாகிகளாக இருந்திருக்கிறாங்க. இதுக்கு முன்னாடி நாங்கள் ஹிந்தியை வந்து ஏன் ஏற்கனவே திணிக்காததான் சொல்கிறோம், படிக்க வேண்டாம்னு சொல்லலை. இதை நல்லா புரிஞ்சுக்கணும், மோடி அரசு வந்து நல்லா புரிஞ்சுக்கணும். The Modi was, okay, is understand why is dumping to the Tamil Nadu Hindi. We have one language. My mother tongue is Tamil. One of the long years more we are speaking English and grammaric language. Why is suddenly come down to put the learn Hindi? So this is what we are going to protest condense.
Okay. So why do you think that this is Hindi imposition? Because the union government says that Hindi will be an optional language. Why do you think that this is imposition?
Hindi is not a national language. First of all, that Modi has to, understand. Right. Hindi is not a national language. Yeah. Different state, different languages, different. When they, imposition. That time we not. Agree to learn Hindi. This is not Hindi. You are not going to take the. You
will not accept
the Hindi. Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
So, well, we had the All India Student Federation by saying here that Hindi is not the national language but only merely an official language. And come what may, Tamilians in Tamil Nadu will stick to Tamil and English for communication purposes. We will not be taking on Hindi as a language for communication, is what they're saying. But remember, Tamilians are also saying that we are not against any language. Those who want to learn the language can go outside and learn. There is Hindi Prachar Sabha and several other outlets for those who are really interested and who wish to learn the language, the Hindi language, are free to do so. But it's just that we will not be implementing that as in our educational curriculum, is what Tamil Nadu government, and subsequently echoing the government's voice, we have the All India Student Federation who are here protesting against the central government. With camera person Danny and Aga Keshav reporting for India Today from Chennai.